Make quick work out of loads of twigs, brush, and branches while turning your yard waste into beneficial mulch with the CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Sunjoe. Its powerful 15-amp motor easily crushes, chips, and shreds branches up to 1.73 inches wide, while the 21-to-1 reduction ratio reduces sticks and dead vegetation to nutrient-rich ground cover, ideal for gardens and flower beds. Simply fill and empty the included collection bag, or set it aside and make a mulch pile wherever it's needed. The chipper shredder comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a large transport handle for maximum mobility around the yard and garden. And Sunjoe's safety features include a paddle feeder and a built-in safety switch. Plus, every CJ603E comes complete with a 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So go with Joe and get set to make more mulch. CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Cleaning up leaves, branches, and other yard debris is a never-ending battle. That's why Troy-Bilt makes a full line of chipper shredders and chipper shredder vacuums. Here are some things to consider when choosing one of these products. First, think about what size branches normally fall in your yard. If they are up to 2 or 3 inches in diameter, you should consider a traditional chipper shredder. If they are 1.5 inches or less in diameter, a chipper shredder vacuum will do the job. Next, think about what type of yard you have. If you have an open yard with few or no flower beds and bushes, and don't mind collecting leaves and branches into piles, a chipper shredder is a good option. If you have more flower beds, bushes, and other areas where leaves hide or get stuck, look for a chipper shredder vacuum. They have extension hoses that let you suck leaves and debris out from under bushes and out of beds. Chipper shredder vacuums can pick leaves up right from the lawn too, just like a regular vacuum. Several units are also self-propelled, which makes cleanup even easier. Both types of units turn leaves and small debris into finely milled compost and chip branches into nutrient-rich mulch to use on flower beds. All Troy-Bilt chipper shredders and chipper shredder vacuums are gas-powered. This gives them more power than electric models. Each model comes with a 2-year limited warranty. For more information on Troy-Bilt chipper shredders and chipper shredder vacuums and finding the right one for your home, visit your local Lowe's store or go to troybilt.com.
Time to tidy up your yard. Turn garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch with the Chipper Joe electric chipper and shredder from Sunjoe. Assembly is easy. Mount the wheels, screw it into place, plug it in, and go. 14 amps of rotary blade power to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Brush, leaves, branches, twigs, chip, shred, mulch, and compost. With an electric motor that runs at up to 4,300 revolutions per minute. And steel blades that reduce waste to 1/16 of its original size. Chipper Joe can do it all. Create perfect mulch for trees, flower beds, and lawns. Clean your yard and nurture it. No smoke, no fumes, no finicky starters or costly tune-ups. It just works. Shred branches up to 1.5 inches thick quickly and safely with its removable safety switch and safety stop that automatically engages when the hopper is opened. Chipper Joe is ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. When yard chores seem to be overwhelming, chipper up with some help from Chipper Joe and experience a faster and easier way to chip and shred. Get the tools that do the doing. Chipper Joe from Sunjoe. Get equipped.